good morning. Calling Black Label finalists. Azisha Pagania. Namhlanje nginiphethele i-video yo-goalkeeper oke washamanya ama-saves womhlaba and bekangasimude kakhulu. Usenzo Meyiwa. He was a great goalkeeper. It's either penalties, shot stopping, aerial balls. He was so perfect, guys. May his soul rest in peace, bafethu. Senzo Meyiwa. Bhakabhaka lakukhumbula la ukhona mfethu ukuthi ungalala ngoxolo mfo. What a great keeper. I will never forget you mfowethu. May your soul rest in peace.